So in this Notes app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to bold text on the Notes app, and I'm of course on the Mac version. So it's very simple. If you just were to go ahead and type in text here, I'll go ahead and type in bold text like here. As you can tell, it's not very large. Or it's not very bolded. So if you just want to go ahead and change that, you can highlight the text that you want to bold. Go to this top bar to where it's A and an A. Go ahead and press the bold icon right there, and that's how you guys can bold text. Now if you want it to stay this way, you can keep it the exact same. If you only want to bold certain areas, you can go ahead and highlight certain text right here, go back, unbold certain text, bold certain text, whatever you want to do. So once again, type the text, highlight it, go to the top, capital A, lowercase a, make sure that the bold option is selected right there, and yeah, it's pretty simple. So that's how to bold text on the Notes app for the Mac. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.